Hello and a very good morning to everyone. So a quick recap of overnight news over the weekend press and also trade this morning. So firstly, we had at the weekend some commentary from the Bank of Italy Governor Visco. He is the Italian member on the ECB board. Noted that we should expect a more expansive ECB policy within the next few months. That includes a possible rate cut. So with this, we have seen a bit of a move higher in terms of the Euribor strip front month, up around 2 ticks. We've also seen some weakness in terms of the euro currency. We also saw comments out of the French member Kerr on the ECB. He said that the ECB may step in to buy bonds with conditionality. As a reminder, the ECB will only step in to buy sovereign bonds once the EFSF is activated to buy them as well, and that requires a country to request a bailout for the country. And with this, we've seen a denial over the weekend that Spain will request a bailout for their country as opposed to just their banking sector at this time anyway. And we've also seen the French President Hollande pushing Italy to seek a bailout, but again, this has been denied by Italian officials. Now, as well as this, we've seen the cash bourses open slightly higher, so a bit of a spillover from Friday and the optimism we saw there. We've seen Asia finish higher, and in terms of the yield today, the Italian 10s and Spanish 10s have decreased slightly, so continuing that decline. We've also seen outperformance in the shorter end of the curve, so with this, a further decline in terms of the 2 years, notably in Spanish as well. Now, as well as that, looking ahead, it looks to remain fairly thin and quiet. In terms of US data, we've got employment trends, and that's at 3 o'clock London, but apart from that, not much scheduled. So for the time being, that's enough from me. Things to look out for today will be any more commentary on bond buying in terms of the Eurozone periphery nations, notably the ECB, and from the EFSF, so that'll be the main focus. But for the time being, enjoy the rest of the session.